The environment is where we all meet, where we all have a mutual interest. It is the one thing all of us share. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Each one of us matters, has a role to play and make a difference. Each one of us must take responsibility for our own lives and above all, show respect and love for living things around us, especially each other. To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles. There is no better designer than nature. If we surrendered to Earth's intelligence, we could rise up rooted like trees. The environment is everything that isn't me. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is now. What we are doing to the forest of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another. The sky, the mountain, the tree, the animal give us a delight in and for themselves. What we see depends mainly on what we look for. World Environment Day.
Congratulations, you have invested your time in improving yourself. Thanks for watching. Comment your thoughts, make sure to subscribe and share with your loved ones.